Students, welcome to accountancy class. I am NARSIMULU, commerce teacher. In this video, I am going to teach you CEC first year accountancy. And a problem will be given in the annual examination for 5 marks from the topic or chapter, that is subsidiary books. Dear students, in this video, I will explain the problem that will come in the annual examination for 5 marks from the chapter subsidiary books, and how the problem will be solved, the way and the procedure, everything I will explain in this problem. Just you have to listen and try to understand the procedure and the way how I am going to solve the problem. Students, here one problem I have taken to explain you, and this problem was given in intermediate public exam March 2000 something 18, I think. Okay, but this problem was given in intermediate public exam March some 2018 or 17, I don't know exactly, but it was a problem was given in the intermediate public examination. So this problem I have taken here to explain you how to solve the problem if the problem is come in the annual examination. Okay, see here the problem I am going to read it out, just you listen. Enter the following transactions: prepare sales book and sales returns book. January 1st 1998, sales to Jayanti Traders rupees 10,000. On January 4th, sales to Rao rupees 5,000. On January 12th, sales to Giri and Company rupees 2,000. January 15th, returns from Jayanti and Traders rupees 400. 21st, returns from Giri and Company rupees 200. Students, I hope that you know all the basic knowledge of the subsidiary books, because you already watched my previous videos where I explained different types of subsidiary books and the procedure and the things that we consider to record in the subsidiary books, the business transactions. Here, if you observe, it is clearly given in this problem that you are asked to prepare sales book and sales returns book. No need to record or no need to show other subsidiary books. Just you are asked to prepare only sales book as well as sales returns book. If you see here in this problem, there are 4 to 5 transactions only. From that information, we can go to prepare sales book as well as sales returns book. First one, you see sales to Jayanti Traders rupees 10,000. It is a credit transaction that comes in the sales book. And sales to Rao, it is also credit transaction. This transaction will be shown in the sales book. And come to third one, sales to Giri and Company rupees 2,000. It is also comes in the sales book. And come to 15th January, returns from Jayanti Traders rupees 400. So on another day we sold the goods to Jayanti and Traders, and now we are getting some goods in the form of returns, that is sales returns. Okay, sales returns from Jayanti Traders rupees 400. And similarly on 21st January, returns from Giri and Company. See here, on January 12th we sold goods to Giri and Company, and that company has returned some of the goods to us. So that on 21st January, here these goods are called as sales returns. So returns from Giri and Company, this can be entered in sales returns book. So these are the transactions. Before going to recording that information in the subsidiary books, we should be clear about the rules and terms that we have to follow while recording in the sales book. There are 3 important points we must consider. That first one, only credit transactions we can go to show in the sales book. Second is that cash transactions must not record in the sales book. And third condition is that sale of assets must not be recorded in the sales book. So these are the three important terms we should remember, we should keep in our mind while recording these transactions in the subsidiary books. Right, come to see here already I prepared two pro formas. One is sales book pro forma, another is sales returns book pro forma. Right, here in the sales book pro forma there are 5 columns. If you observe here, you see the first column is meant for date, and second column is meant for particulars, and third column is meant for outward invoice number, and fourth column is meant for ledger folio number, and fifth column is meant for amount. So on the top of the pro forma you can go to write sales book. Sales book. And come to next subsidiary book which we asked to prepare in this problem, that is sales returns book. Here also if you want, you see there are 5 columns. Already prepared the pro forma. First column is meant for date, and second column is meant for particulars, and third column is meant for credit note number, and fourth column is meant for ledger folio number, and fifth column is meant for amount. So right, now we are going to write the transactions in these subsidiary books. First one, see what is that? On January 1st 1998, sales to Jayanti Traders. So here you can go to write date 1998 January 1st. Here we must not use the prefixes like to or by to the name of a person. Just you write only name of a person. That is Jayanti Traders. Here that is the name of the organization. We can go to write here Jayanti Traders. Jayanti Traders. Here we can go to use assumed number, that is 1. Assumed outward invoice number. Ledger folio number we can't use here, as it can be used in the practical recording of transactions. Right, amount 10,000. And come to second transaction, that is sales to Rao. It is also credit transaction. It comes in the sales book. Go to take in the sales book, date January 4th. Write the name of the person, that is Rao, Mr. Rao, and outward invoice number, imaginary invoice number, assumed outward invoice number, that is 2. Here amount of rupees 5,000. Come to next one. On January 12th, sales to Giri and Company. It is also credit transaction, comes in the sales book. So here date 12th, name of the company is Giri and Company. So you can go to write Giri and Company. Amount of rupees 2,000. Date 12. Outward invoice number, assumed figure, that is 3, and amount is rupees 2,000. So after that, on 15th, here we received some goods in the form of sales returns from Jayanti Traders, because we sold those goods on other day to Jayanti Traders, and they find some defects in the goods that we sent to them, and they return the goods to us. So those goods are called as sales returns. So this sales returns information we can go to write in the sales returns book. Here we can go to write on the top of the pro forma sales returns book. Okay, so date 1998 January 15th, Jayanti Traders. Jayanti Traders. Here credit note number, imaginary number 1, and amount rupees 400. Okay. Next, come to returns from Giri and Company. Returns from Giri and Company. Here we returned some goods from Giri and Company, which we sold another day to Giri and Company. So these are also sales returns. So comes in the sales returns book, date 21st January. Name you can go to write Giri and Company. Here credit note number, that is imaginary number 2 or assumed number 2, amount of rupees 200. Okay, sir. So here like this you can go to prepare sales book and sales returns book for the given problem. Okay, sir. Now you calculate the total in the amount column. See, total 17,000. Here you can go to write total. Similarly, in the sales returns book, the total amount will be 600. Here you write total. Okay, like this we have to prepare sales book and sales returns book. If you are able to prepare the sales book and sales returns book like this, you can go to score 5 marks in the annual examination. Students, I hope you understood. If the problem is given from subsidiary books for 5 marks and you need to read the problem carefully and you try to understand what you are actually asked, and those subsidiary books we can go to prepare and show the transactions in the subsidiary books, and you will get 5 marks. So all this procedure you understood, I hope. Okay, there is no doubts to you to prepare the subsidiary book for problem that will come in the annual examination for 5 marks. Thank you for watching this video.